Let me start with Tesla. So Tesla had a great trade in it. We can see, you can't see. I don't have the 21-day simple moving average up on this chart, but we can. It was hugging this price tight. So whenever it would come into resistance to the 21-day simple moving average, it would sell off. So now we were all looking at originally like Friday, Thursday, Friday. It was so tight to the price that if it were to break this area higher, we were expecting the stock to break out. So because we saw that weakness right off the open, and the 21 simple moving average is right here, this 850. I just saw the pressure Tesla had Friday. I shorted some. I was a little too heavy, so I covered right there. But I shorted some, and I was able to hold throughout the day. I covered into weakness this morning at 750, 755. So I'm shorting 820 with an 840 stop. Risking 20 points. And I made about, what is that, $75 on the downside? 820, 755. Yeah, so about, 50, 65 points. Covered it when it made new highs. Still looks like it goes lower. But very solid short. Very nice reaction on our part. Shouts out to June. June made 40,000 on that one. That was a sick short.